Welcome to Rocky TV. Just pulled off a snipe at like 45 yards because I can't hit them from 5, baby. Take it. Hell yeah, bro. Nice, man. Come on, place. Damn, why did we not get more? Oh, God, they landed in our face. That's where we needed the decoy. I needed the decoy choke. Good boy, sit. He didn't break it all either. That's good.
They kind of came in hot and heavy.
Nice drake, man.
Yeah, he was gorgeous. I would be ecstatic if we could get a big bird today. In particular, a mallard.
That would be great. But I would take even a gadwall.
Shoot, I'll take a ringneck.
Anything that's not a teal, huh?
A merganser come flying by.
He
Probably
gone.
not leaving today.
He gone. So I think the play is to either we need to cover better or we need to move our decoys further away.
I vote on cover better.
Yeah.
Okay. Here it comes.
It's just a tiny little branch, dude. You're overreacting. I don't know that that did anything. It was cool. That was badass.
Yeah.
But I don't think it did anything.
Keep your eye out for birds.
Yeah. I'm a looking.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, right at water level. So yeah, like either interweave that into the blanket. How can we do that?
They can't be mad at a hide like that.
No, that's got to be better.
Oh, right up. And then shoot them, bro.
Jax. That was a long ass shot.
It was a long shot.
Woo!
I missed mine.
Boy, I almost didn't pull the trigger on that one because hey, he marked that really well.
Yeah, he did. I hope he can see it because I sure as hell
I can't either. I started losing them in the shun.
Oh, man.
Good boy!
Dang it, I was like, do I shoot mine on the water? Do I?
Come on. Hold here. Good boy. Holy cow.
Good shot, bro.
That was a snipe and a half.
Pass and choke there.
Yeah.
That's a water turkey.
Come on. Woo! Welcome to Rocky TV. Just pulled off a snipe at like 45 yards because I can't hit them from 5, baby.
4,500 yards.
4,500 yards. Come on, bud. This has been, by all means, this should be the perfect morning. We rolled in. Well, I rolled in a little bit later. My boy rolled in. I'll put some footage here. Walked through a dadgum thunderstorm. Here.
Gotta get stuff
Jax,
done,
here.
bro.
Come on, bub. He's lost.
Gotta get stuff done. You can't just sit around.
Jax,
and
here.
wait,
Come on.
You know? A little thunderstorm. It really, honestly, it wasn't that much rain.
It was a torrential downpour is what it was. And so we had that storm roll through. There's a cold front moving in. It's getting chillier. There's a north wind. By all means, things should be perfect. 1 second, dude. Here.
He went the worst way possible.
Jax, come on. Here, come on. I'm trying to make sure. One time he tried to bury a bird. So I'm trying to make sure he doesn't do that. Come on, buddy. He's trying to find his way through that.
What even is he doing? You mean go get him?
Jax, come on, bud. Here. Atta boy. The old Gadwall Slayer 5000. Atta boy. Come here, bub. You finally found your way back? So this is a new spot. Drop. 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 Whew. And I'm sure he's excited to get a couple of retrieves too. We had to change our hide up a little bit this morning. We were definitely not hidden enough. We had a couple birds pull off of us, but this is number 2. Had a teal this morning, and hopefully we can put a couple more down. Like I said, by all rights, this should be a fantastic morning. We'll see.
Oh yeah, that'll do. Boy, you popped him.
Yeah. Yep. Led him 1.5 miles, man. I'm glad we put the passing chokes in this morning.
I missed mine, and I'm sad about it.
That's how it goes.
That's coming right at him.
Oh, it actually kind of looks like it. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, ducks, or uh-oh, not recording?
Uh-oh, it wasn't recording. What the heck? I swear to God, I hit the button. Oh, no.
Well, I can't, I don't have the energy to do all that again. I just don't have it in me, bro.
Oh, gosh. That was awesome, though. They played well. I think brushing in our hide here definitely helped.
It didn't hurt anything. They sat down on the water this time. And so we had, what, 2 groups before that kind of tried to come in and then bailed out at the last second.
Yeah, we're like, they're seeing us.
Yeah.
So he drug about half a tree over.
I did bring a whole tree. I did it just to flex on Jax. I was like, look what I can do that you can't do.
You can't
dog.
go get a stick.
Ha.
But I think that helped. That's fantastic. Like I said, this morning, my boy here walked through a torrential downpour. You guys ought to just give up. 2:30 in the morning, he's out here trudging through this. Thunder, lightning, heavy downpour.
Here's the thing. These boys roll up with their boats at 5 o'clock. They getting beat to the hole by a guy in a Ford Focus, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Driving his Ford Focus. He's serious, man.
Pull up to the ramp and there's a Ford Focus there. You might as well just go home. You might as well just call it a day because your spot's taken.
He's a serious duck hunter. All he's got to do now is hit ducks. You know what I mean?
Imagine how good I'd be if, like, I killed things. At this point, I'm like the best bird watcher on earth.
You're good, man.
You know what I mean?
You've got one in the sled though.
That's true. That's true.
Got you a teal.
Did get a teal. I'd like to get a big duck, but I'm not complaining.
There's still a lot of morning left. It should be the right conditions, other than we're staring into the sun, which is not nice.
So I've got this pole right here. It's saving me.
There's nothing I can do. It's like riding my shooting lane.
Yeah.
I just got to go blind, I guess. Me and the dog.
That's okay. Yeah. How is it you're sitting staring into the sun and you killed the duck on the last volley and I missed? Like, what's wrong with me?
Oh, man.
Have you recorded anything today?
Who knows? I swear to God, if I didn't catch my shot on it, I'm going to be so pissed.
We're just out here talking to cameras and none of them are recording.
That would figure, dude. I just got it all screwed up today. I had to have been recording. I had to have been.
If you remember to set the camera to record, you don't load your gun. If you load your gun, you don't turn the camera on.
Forgot the snackies today.
You did forget the snackies. Forgot the spinner.
Forgot the spinner and the pulsator.
Pulsator.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Barely remembered the dog. He was a lifesaver on that thing.
He was. I swear that bird head was still up, like when he hit the water.
Yeah.
And then I was like, well, hopefully Jax can get him.
Yeah.
And he brought him back.
Yep. He did good. Now we just need to put some more birds down. No, 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 you mother. Are you kidding me?
Oh no! We suck again!
No. Place. Are you kidding me, bro?
We did him dirty. Damn. That sucks.
Yes, it does.
Was he higher than we thought?
I don't think so. What's this right here? Sit. That's a water turkey.
A water turkey.
Oh boy, my heart stopped. Oh, I was excited. Jax was excited. You stopped breathing altogether.
Water turkey. What are you doing to us?
Look at this dog, man. I see him, bud. I see him. We can't shoot that one.
That's ridiculous.
I'm the saddest little boy in the land. Won't you help me with my sadness?